this video, we will show you how to create website with GoHighLevel. To create website with GoHighLevel, we can using WordPress or using Builder by GoHighLevel. But in this tutorial, we will show you how to create website with Website Builder on GoHighLevel. First example, in here we need to click sites, and usually we are create website with top level domains. And in the previous video, we already show you how we can create or connect our domain name with GoHighLevel. But in this tutorial, I will replay this. After you click sites on the left menu, just click this gear icon and we can click connect domain here. Okay, for example, you can connect a domain into the funnel website store blog or webinar. To create website, just select this. Okay, then we need to input our domain name, but in my case, I will connect the subdomain name. Okay, in the previous video, you can see more details. Then click continue, and we can add record manually or just click continue if we are using like Cloudflare. Okay, setting up your domain, it may takes for a while, so you need just to wait until it's done. Just click authorize domain. After that, we can click authorize. Now, the DNS could require up to 30 seconds. So we need to wait for this. After that, we can create a website with Builder by GoHighLevel, and we can edit them later. Okay, waiting for authorization here. It's very easy to create websites with GoHighLevel. In here, we click just the option for websites and proceed to finish. Okay, now we already add our subdomain. Also, you can connect your top level domain or root domain here. You can just connect this with website like this. Okay, but in here, we can back to our sites. Okay, go to the sites menu here and select websites. After you select websites, then just click new websites, or we can create a folder. This is just for test. So we different the folder with the production. So it will TDR here. Just click test on the folder and click new websites. For example, web test. Okay, in this case, we can just using from template rather than using from blank. This is recommend if you starting using GoHighLevel. Just click continue here. After that, we can searching for templates that may be suitable with our need. Okay, for example, I will select home services, for example. Now let using this, for example. After that, we can just click continue. Click continue here and adding the template for the process. In the next, we will try to show you how we can edit and how we can connect with our domain name that we just add into the GoHighLevel. Okay, this is the looks like the site editor. Okay, you can see there. In here, we can click connect domain to our domain name that we just adding into GoHighLevel. Okay, just select this is and click save. Okay, after that we can click save here and we can click publish after that. Okay, we can update and click publish. Let's see. This is our rfun.idhex.com. You can see. Now, the question is, How if we just open the root like this, the subdomain root, not without slug? Let's try to open this. You can see it's 404. Now back to our sites menu. Go to our sites menu, and then we can just click settings on the gear icon. You can see, click here and select manage. After that, you can see this is the our subdomain that we just add. Just click set default page and select the default page for the home. Okay, the home is refer to this subdomain with home slug like this. So we can click save here. Now after save, let's reload this again. Voila. Now you successfully create a website with GoHighLevel. Okay. Then in here, in the next step, we need to back to our sites and we will show you how to configure our websites. There are settings that you can edit the path of your website. This is looks the same with your home. Okay. Also, you can enable the GDPR compliant fonts. And if you want to add the body tracking code here and favicon is refer to like this. Okay. This is the favicon. Okay. And this is just for the page. To edit them, we can just click edit button here. Just wait until this loading is completed. Now, to easiest how you can understand every items here. Okay, you can directly edit the website like this for the headlines. Okay, the font and the font width. For the content, you can just edit something look like this, for example. Okay, and this is to show the layer. This is the layer. And if you have ever create a pop-up, we will show you how to create a pop-up later. You can also configure on here. Okay. To add item, you can just close this. Okay. To show layer, this is. To add item, you can just doing something look like this, hover on your rows and click item. For example, you add column, you add form or another, for example, like this. Okay. You can also add the HTML code with the code section here, or we can add form if we ever create a form. Okay, so we can select the form. It will open the form like this, and after that you can just click publish. And in here also you can edit the slug. How to edit your slug? I will discard this. Okay, to edit your slug in every pages, you can just click this and click settings. For example, this is the slug or pet. So you can update your every page slug or pet here. And I think it's enough how we can build our websites in GoHighLevel. And in the next step or in the next tutorial, we will show you how to create a form and also how we can create a scheduling, then how we can publish them into our websites. And in here, I will show you also how to create automation in GoHighLevel. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. We will help you to build your first website on the GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.